Best Christmas wreaths comparison. Christmas wreaths are a quintessential part of holiday decor, symbolizing unity and the festive spirit. Whether hung on a front door, wall, or used as a table centerpiece, wreaths bring warmth and charm to any space. This comparison focuses on 5 popular wreath models. List 1. This mid-range wreath by National Tree Company offers a classic crestwood spruce design, with pine cones and berry clusters for added elegance. The 24-inch diameter and over 100 crafted branch tips create a lush, realistic look that fits both indoor and outdoor settings. Its hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles ensure safety and durability, making it a reliable choice for years of holiday use. Performance-wise, this wreath excels in its realistic appearance, thanks to crush-resistant polyethylene tips that mimic natural foliage. It's lightweight, 3.33 pounds, and easy to hang on doors or windows. However, it lacks additional lighting modes or decorative variety compared to pricier models. Customer reviews highlight its sturdy construction and vibrant aesthetic, though some users note minor adjustments are needed to achieve the desired fullness. List number. The premium offering from National Tree Company features an evergreen base adorned with ball ornaments, red sprigs, and frosted branches. This wreath is pre-lit with white lights and measures 24 inches in diameter, providing a sophisticated holiday aesthetic. Its hypoallergenic, fire-resistant needles ensure both safety and durability, while the inclusion of battery-powered lighting, 6 AA batteries, adds convenience. This wreath stands out for its high-end design and attention to detail, making it ideal for formal holiday settings. The lighting feature includes multiple modes, enhancing its versatility. However, the $64.98 price tag may deter budget-conscious buyers, and its lighter weight, 12.3 ounces, raises concerns about long-term durability. Users praise its elegant appearance, but recommend using rechargeable batteries for cost efficiency. List number. The PGANDS 20-inch wreath offers a compact and rustic design, featuring pine stems, pine cones, red berry clusters, and olive leaves. Its natural grapevine base adds a touch of authenticity to its handcrafted appearance. The wreath is packaged securely for shipping and includes a Merry Christmas sign, making it a thoughtful gift option. This wreath is best suited for smaller spaces or as a secondary decoration. While its design is charming, the smaller size, 20 inches, may not create the same visual impact as larger models. Users appreciate its sturdy construction and realistic materials, but note that manual adjustments are required to achieve the advertised fullness. Additionally, its lack of lighting limits its versatility. List number. The ZQ Klite wreath is the budget-friendly option in this comparison, priced at just $9.99. It features colorful LED string lights with 2 lighting modes and a frosted branch design. Measuring 24 inches in diameter, it offers a festive look suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle and hang. While its affordability is a major draw, this wreath sacrifices some durability and realism. The frosted branches and berry clusters provide seasonal charm, but the overall build quality is less robust compared to higher-priced models. Users appreciate its vibrant lighting, but report occasional issues with LED functionality. It's an excellent choice for temporary or budget-conscious holiday decor. List number. The Sunny Park wreath is a large 28-inch option that combines faux greenery, pine cones, berries, and ornaments in a festive red, gold, and green palette. It features 35 warm white LED lights with 8 lighting modes and a timer, powered by 3 AA batteries. The wreath is built on a metal base for durability and includes a hemp loop for easy hanging. This wreath is ideal for users seeking a bold statement piece for their holiday decor. Its larger size and versatile lighting modes make it suitable for doors, walls, and tabletops. However, its heavier weight, 3.24 pounds, requires secure mounting. Users appreciate its vibrant appearance and lighting options, but note that batteries are not included, adding to the overall cost.